Hi, welcome to driver training and our 2-minute tutorial on yellow box junctions. Yellow box junctions are designed to stop traffic getting gridlocked. So, if you can't get out of it, you don't go into it. That way, you don't block the traffic from other directions. A lot of box junctions are monitored by CCTV. If you stop in it, you get a £130 fine. So the way to deal with box junctions effectively, if you can't get out of it, don't go into it. Now here the car is turning left, he can see the road is clear, so he's okay to go. If he was going straight ahead, he can see the van has got through the box junction, but there's no way that they could get completely out of the box, so it's better to not go in. If you're turning right at a box junction, if you can see the road is clear and the only thing stopping you is traffic coming the other way, then fine, go into the middle, wait for the lights to change, then go. If you can see the road on the right has traffic, you can't go into the box junction. Otherwise, you're just going to block all the traffic when the lights change. So it's better to just sit there at the white line by the traffic lights and wait for the box to be clear. And that way you avoid a £130 fine. Thanks for joining us. Drive safe and we'll see you all again soon.